Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and find trending subreddits. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch on this internet. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, I hope you are logged in into the right account that you want to go ahead and join the subreddits with. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this explore button on the left hand side below home, popular and answers. Once you went ahead and clicked on explore, as you can see, it's going to show you all the top subreddits which are trending at the moment. You could also go ahead and select categories if you want to on the top. So as you can see, there's internet culture, games, Q&A, technology, movie, places, travel. There's also business and finance, news and politics, education, career. Anything that you can think of is most probably here. And you can simply go ahead and select and go ahead and find the most popular subreddit or the trending subreddits on that topic, and you can go ahead and join it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.